Next item we'll do, these are really cool. These are crystals. They're optical crystal. It's not a plastic. They're really heavy, and they're very high quality. And what you'll do, you do it the exact same way. You'll peel off the liner and stick it there. Now these can be used by photographers. You can sell your photography this way. You can use it for trophies. You can use it for place settings for a wedding. And everyone can, they can have names on them. The place setting. Any kind of award. And there we go. I'm doing this very quick, just so you can see just how easy it is. It's there's nothing complicated. All you need is just that inkjet printer and my supplies. So there you go. It's beautiful. And you can use that as a trophy that's going to sell, a solid crystal trophy that would sell in the $20 range, $20, $25 range, depending on how many. So there's that.